In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money on Revolut. Whether you're getting paid back by a friend or collecting a payment for something you sold, I'll walk you through the simplest, most reliable ways to do it inside the app. Start by opening the Revolut app and making sure you're on the home screen. This is your starting point for everything. From here, look to the top left corner and tap your profile icon. It's the small circular avatar that opens your account hub. Inside this section, you'll see several ways to receive money designed for different situations. One of the quickest options is the QR code. If the person who's paying you is right there with you, show them your QR code on screen. They can scan it with their phone and the payment can be sent instantly. This is great for quick in-person transfers. Make sure your screen brightness is up so the code scans cleanly, and confirm the currency you expect to receive to avoid confusion. If you're not together in person, use the share link option. Tap Share Link to create your unique payment link, then copy it and send it through your preferred app, text, email, or any messenger. The link points directly to you, making it easy for anyone to pay without hunting for your details. For clarity, you can include a short message with the link explaining what the payment is for and the amount you're expecting. You can also request a specific amount right from the Payments tab. Go to Payments, tap Request Money, enter the exact amount you want, and generate a request link. This is perfect when you need a precise total, like splitting a bill or collecting a set fee. Send that request link to the person and they'll have everything they need to pay you in a couple of taps. Finally, if someone prefers a traditional bank transfer, use your account details. In your account section, you'll find your IBAN and account number. Copy these safely and share them with the payer so they can make a direct transfer from their bank. This is especially useful for larger payments or when the sender doesn't use Revolut. Keep in mind that bank transfers can take longer depending on the bank and region. That's it, you now know multiple ways to receive money on Revolut. Choose the method that fits the situation, share only with people you trust, and always double check the amount and currency before confirming. Thanks for watching and happy receiving.